Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by opening Discord on your phone and entering the server where you will create roles. Tap the three dots next to the server name, then choose Settings to open Server Settings. In Server Settings, select Roles to view the role list. Discord allows up to 250 roles per server. Only users with Manage Roles or Administrator permissions can add roles. Tap the plus icon to create a new role, enter a name, choose a color, and then move on to Permissions and Role Placement in the hierarchy. With the new role selected, use the permissions list to toggle exact abilities such as send messages, manage channels, mute members, or kick members. Avoid granting administrator unless necessary. Administrator overrides other checks. Instead, build permission sets by enabling only required toggles, for example, manage messages and read message history for moderators. Set a visible color using the color picker so members show in chat with that color. When done, always tap Save or Back to persist changes before assigning the role to users. To give someone the new role, open the server member list or chat, tap the user's name, then choose Manage Roles and toggle the role on. Role order matters. Higher roles in the roles list have precedence and can manage lower roles. Reorder roles by going back to roles, long pressing a role and dragging it to the desired position to change hierarchy. If a role needs management over channels, place it above roles it should control. Test role effects by switching accounts or asking a colleague to confirm permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.